Hello, everyone. I'm Alicia. Welcome to Mission Vocab. Today's advanced English vocabulary lesson takes a deeper look at the term frenzy. A frenzy is a state of intense, uncontrolled excitement, activity, panic, anger, or emotional agitation that makes people act quickly or irrationally. The word often suggests movement, pressure, noise, urgency, or loss of calm, especially when a group or situation becomes difficult to control. Frenzy is usually a noun, but related forms include frenzied, the adjective meaning wildly excited or uncontrolled, and frenetically, the adverb meaning in a rushed, intense way. In real communication, frenzy helps describe moments when normal order breaks down because emotions, demand fear, or excitement become unusually intense. The term signals that a reaction is not just busy or energetic, but excessive, chaotic, emotionally charged, or difficult to manage calmly. Across English speaking regions, frenzy has the same general meaning, though tone depends on context. It can sound dramatic, critical, descriptive, or literary. For example, when the singer appeared outside the hotel, fans rushed toward the entrance in a frenzy of shouting, filming, and waving signs. The announcement created a buying frenzy, and the company's website crashed as thousands of customers tried to order the product. During the final hour before the deadline, the office fell into a quiet frenzy of revisions, phone calls, approvals, and last minute decisions. Common phrases include buying frenzy, media frenzy, feeding frenzy, frenzy of activity, whipped into a frenzy, and work oneself into a frenzy. Frenzy is a neutral to dramatic word. It is common in everyday English, but also strong enough for journalism, analysis, and expressive writing. Speakers use frenzy instead of excitement, rush, or panic when they want to emphasize uncontrolled energy, crowd behavior, or escalating emotional pressure. When you hear frenzy, think beyond simple busyness. Imagine energy, emotion, and urgency building until the situation feels almost out of control. That's frenzy. One word, stronger English.